What's going on, everybody? Solieka here. And what you're looking at is the trip to Boca Raton. The name of the park was Spanish River Park or something to that effect. And this is it's called Big Lake. And you can see the little red right there. That's where I started. My wife and we parked right there. And then we basically followed the black line around the park. And then you can see a black line that comes off and goes on Broken Sound Boulevard. That's where I was walking, and then I got to the top, and I turned back around and went back to fishing inside this park. The only problem I have is the 911 caller called and said I was over off a military trail, which is way far away from the truth, because on military trail I think there's 3 schools, an elementary school, a middle school, and I want to say a high school. I think all 3 are all right over there near Military Trail. And I looked all that stuff up before I got there. And under the law, if you have a concealed weapons permit, this only works if you have a concealed weapons permit. You can be within 1,000 feet of a school. Without a concealed weapons permit, you cannot be within 1,000 feet of a school. So, let's get into these 911 callers. This caller almost got me in trouble.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
Hi, I'm driving right now, and I'm on Spanish River and Military, and, there's just this guy who's, just been walking on the sidewalk, and he has, a backpack, and he just, has I mean, I don't know anything about guns, but he just has, a gun, just hanging on him. And he's just, walking around.
Is he,
on the side.
One second. Is he walking on Military or on 40th? Hello?
Hi, I'm sorry, what did I couldn't...
Is he walking on Military or on Spanish River?
On Spanish River.
On Spanish
Close
River, okay.
To Military.
Which way is he going on Spanish River? East
he
or
was
west
going
bound?
towards Military, but then
Okay.
he just turned around and he's, walking towards...
So now he's walking the other way?
Yeah, but he's, closer to Military. Where the library is, kind of, and, there.
1 second. What's the phone number that you're calling from?
The phone number?
Yes. And what's your name? Tell me exactly what happened now.
Well, there's just this man just walking on the sidewalk, and he has a backpack, and in one hand he's holding, a fishing pole, and, he has, a gun just, hanging, in front of him.
Is it on his waistband?
No, strapped around him.
Okay, strapped around where?
Hanging, on the front, across his chest.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just calling because, there's 2 schools, around there.
Yeah, I totally understand. When did you see him?
Right now,
Okay. Are you still at that location?
I'm around there. I was leaving work, and I saw him, and, he was, acting really weird. He was just, waving at cars passing by, and then, so I, turned around, and I went back. And
Can you describe the gun? Can you describe the gun to me?
I mean, I don't know anything about guns, but, it was
Was it,
big,
okay. Was it long?
Yeah, so I looked up a picture of, an AR-15, and, that's kind of what it looks like.
Okay.
But, I can't be sure that it's that. He was wearing all black with black shorts and a black.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that from you in 1 second. Walking eastbound. Okay. Was he white or black male?
He wasn't black, but he was really tan.
So unknown male. About how old did he look?
Maybe like 30s or
30. Okay, and he was wearing all black clothing.
Yeah, like a black shirt or like jacket, and then black shorts and a black backpack.
All right, I understand. Just if you do see him again, don't approach him. I will have officers go check the area for him, okay? Did you want an officer to make contact with you?
If needed, but as long as like you guys handle it.
Yeah, no problem. Just call us if you can change your further information, okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Bye.
Thanks, Roll. Can I help you?
Yes, how you doing? My name is Z. I live on. A neighbor of mine just called me. He was driving down Spanish River Boulevard going east, and he saw a male.
A male with in all black with a possible gun. Yeah, we have units on the way over there.
Oh, awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
We are connecting your call to an available campus safety officer.
Lynn University Campus Safety, this is Lily. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Boca Police on a recorded line. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. How are you?
Good. I just want to give you just a BOLA. We had a call on Spanish River and Military about a unknown race male wearing all black clothing with what looks like an AR-15 hanging from his person. So we have several officers on the way. We just want to let you know.
Okay. I will make sure that all of my team is aware. Thank you so much.
I appreciate
What
it.
was your operator, please?
A is an Alpha, 881.
Thank you.
No problem.
Bye-bye.
Police, Kay speaking.
Hey, it's Boca PD on a recorded line.
Go ahead. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Oh, you're fine. We got a call about a suspicious male in the area of Don Estridge. We just want to give you guys a heads up. It's a suspicious male that's walking around the area in all black clothing, possibly with a gun strapped around his chest. We have units going to check the area just to make sure he's
Do we know where he was last seen? Well, I mean, just in the area of Don Estridge, no travel duration or no?
So he's in the area of Spanish River and Military, so 40th Street and Military, so just north of the school.
40th Street and Military, okay. And you have units en route?
And he was eastbound on the sidewalk. Yeah, and we have units in the area already checking.
40th Street to Military. Okay, you got units in route. Okay, and we'll let it know. Oh, hold on, there was something else. Oh, this is a white male, black male, you said?
It's just a male in all black clothing is what they had. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
All right.
Put it across. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.